What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you another live trade today that I did. This is September 2nd. Pretty straightforward trade, honestly speaking. Basically, I was playing off this bigger channel, and I don't think that channel was correct, to be honest. But there is another channel that I will show you later after the trade. But either channel you play, the outcome's still the same. But I was playing off this channel, and I was basically looking to retest these lows, or maybe even at least. First, I was looking to at least test this swing low and then possibly test this swing low because of the channel, bigger channel in play. But you clearly see I was anticipating a lower high because you have a break, new high already in place. Yes, you could technically get a second leg up, but the reason I was anticipating lower high is because you can clearly see there's a bunch of resistance up here in this area. Like you can clearly see there's a bunch of resistance. Again, if you can't see this, then you're just not there yet. But again, I was anticipating a lower high, and just because of the fact that there's resistance, and I'm looking to retest this swing low or this swing low. Now, all I need is 4 points for the day. I was just aiming for 4 points, and that's it. But if I was doing more, I'd probably target this swing low or this swing low. And also, I don't really draw the retest leg, so to speak. I do draw my short-term trend channels, those are important, but the retest leg, the one basically that retests this low, right? Of the bigger channel, I don't really draw that channel, but you can clearly see there's some channels that are in play that you should pay attention to. But anyways, I did get filled here, and I go in at the bar close. I don't do one tick at the signal bar above or below signal bar or whatever, or I'm sorry, one tick after it's trigger or whatever. The stop loss does go one tick above the signal bar, that's for sure, one above or below. But yeah, I go at the bar closed, and obviously these bars are different than your normal bars, but yeah, I mean, there is a EMA at the signal bar, but I wasn't worried too much, just because, again, the fact that there's a bunch of resistance here. I mean, we try to go once, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. It ain't happening. So again, nothing's 100% in trading. I didn't know that the price is gonna take off. I'm not a oracle, but if you play in the price action rules, and if you're following what Mac teaches, then you'll see that that there's resistance, there's a lower high, and boom, I'm in. But yeah, I think the price bounced a little bit off my target profit, and I thought about moving my target profit, but I decided not to, and I did not move my stop loss to break even just yet, just because the fact that I am going for 4 points. And sometimes the price can come back and get your +1, break even +1, and then reverse and go exactly where you thought it was going to go. So it does happen quite frequently, especially with the ES. So I decided to just let it go for a little bit, and see what happens. This trade almost over, so yeah. And here we go, we got filled. Let me just show you what it looks like on the chart real quick. So this is the trade on the chart, and you can clearly see this is the channel that I was looking at. And again, to be perfectly honest, I don't think this is a correct channel. I think the channel is something like this. Something like this. This looks to me more correct. But like I said before, the outcome's still the same. You're looking for a break and retest of this low. Whether you play in this channel or the bigger channel, right? So I think the medium channel is more correct than this one, just because I don't like the midline. It just doesn't line up with anything. So I think this one would have been a much better channel to play it off with. But either way, the outcome's still the same. You can clearly see that the price went even lower. So a big down day today. I would not be buying this market at all. I was I'll probably just wait until some kind of clear evidence that we're reversing. But right now, as it looks like, it's just, there's just no way. I would not buy this at all. Even if there's a higher low or something, I would not be buying that. That's too risky. The channel did play out, so there's that, but I need a more of a clear direction. Right now is just, this is very bearish. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you all for watching. Can't talk today, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.